हाँ तो हम लोग शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का एनालिसिस है। आज के एनालिसिस के अंदर सबसे पहले हम लोग इंडेक्स की बात करेंगे, जो हमारे मेन इंडेक्स है निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी जो हमारे हैं। सबसे पहले हम उनकी बात कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम लोग कुछ स्टॉक्स की बात करेंगे। पहले कोई डाउट आया है इंडियन सीमेंट्स, तो एक बार इंडियन सीमेंट्स का चार्ट देख लेते हैं हम लोग। इंडियन सीमेंट्स का अगर हम चार्ट की बात करते हैं, तो मैं इसको लगाता हूँ डेली की फ्रेम के ऊपर। डेली की फ्रेम के ऊपर अगर स्विंग पिक की तरह आप इसको लेके जा रहे हैं, अगर आप इसको एक स्विंग पिक की तरह लेके जा रहे हैं, तो आपका जो यहाँ पे स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा, वो स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा तकरीबन इस लेवल का आपका स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा। अगर ऊपर की तरफ से ट्रेंड लाइन की सपोर्ट की बात करूंगा, तो आप कुछ इस तरह से ट्रेंड लाइन का सपोर्ट यहाँ पर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। अगर आपका ब्रेकआउट आता है नीचे, ये लेवल मेरा जो बनेगा, ये सपोर्ट का लेवल मेरा बन जाएगा नीचे की तरफ। अगर यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट आता है, तो आपके फिर जो तीन टारगेट होंगे, पहला टारगेट आपका यहाँ का होगा, दूसरा टारगेट आपका होगा यहाँ का, और तीसरा टारगेट जो है वो आपका होगा यहाँ का। अगर मैं मेजर करने की बात करूँ, तो ये इस लेवल से तकरीबन पहला टारगेट अपना यहाँ का होगा, अपना जो दूसरा टारगेट है, दूसरा टारगेट होगा तकरीबन यहाँ का, जो तीसरा टारगेट मेरा होने वाला है, तीसरा टारगेट मेरा होगा यहाँ का। ये तीन टारगेट मेरे पॉसिबल है मेरे इंडिया सीमेंट्स के अंदर। अगर मेरे को यहाँ पे सपोर्ट मिलता है, अगर मेरे को इस लेवल के ऊपर सपोर्ट मिलता है यहाँ पे, तो मैं इस पोजीशन को लॉन्ग करने के बारे में सोच सकता हूँ। जो मेरा मिनिमम टारगेट है 13% का, मेरे को मिल जाएगा। पर उसके लिए जरूरी ये है कि ये जो मेरा नीचे का जो लेवल है, सपोर्ट का जो लेवल है, इस सपोर्ट के लेवल के ऊपर मेरा सपोर्ट आता है। अगर वहां सपोर्ट आता है, तो फिर उस पोजीशन को मैं वहां से लॉन्ग कर सकता हूँ। ठीक है। तो एक स्नैपशॉट आपको मैं ग्रुप के ऊपर भी शेयर कर देता हूँ। जी, मैं ग्रुप के ऊपर भी इसको शेयर कर दे रहा हूँ। हाँ जी। अगले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। इंग्लिश, some people want the daily analysis to be in English, so I think I should switch to English for you people to understand me better. So, talking about other stocks that I got, the other one is Tata Motors. If we see the chart of Tata Motors, seeing the Tata Motors on a daily frame shows me there was a rejection from the previous highs level. Like these level are the previous highs level. We got a rejection from this level, and the next support will be somewhere around these 390 level. So I don't think there could be a trading option in the Tata Motors. If we see it on a smaller frame, if we go on a hourly frame, then also I don't think there could be an option to trade. But one can initiate a shorting position in the Tata Motors. If we see the auto sector, seeing the auto sector is also getting bearish. So yes, we can initiate a bearish position in Tata Motors. The Tata Motors looks something like this. Tata Motors looks something like this on the hourly frame. If we check about the targets, then our targets could be somewhere around here. And the next target will be this 391 level. So if we talk about the target, so the first target will be 3.39%, and next will be around 7.5%. So yeah, shorting could be in option in Tata Motors, but we can't go long on a bigger frame or even a smaller frame. LKU. Checking alkali metal. Okay, story. Checking alkali metals on an hourly frame, we can see an formation of flag and fold type of pattern. But if we go on a bigger frame, or if we go on a daily frame, then we could see a drop till this level only. And on the upper side, we can see that these levels will be crucial for us. And the support definitely on the lower side would be the levels of somewhere around here. If we get a support from these levels, then definitely we can go long till here and here. But if you have to initiate a fresh position in alkali, I won't suggest you to initiate a fresh position in alkali. But because I don't see any good trading opportunity in alkali. Tata Consumer. Tata Consumer on a daily frames look good. Talking about the targets, so your targets will be around 800 levels and then 850 levels as per the chart that I can see. If I draw the volume, the good support below 340 levels. So we could draw something around here. So yeah, the targets on the Tata Consumer could be whose target. Uh, this would be our resistance level if I draw a zone here instead of the level. So we can draw this zone and with the support from the trend line at the bottom. So what will be going to happen is the new trade, if we have to initiate a new trade, we could initiate a new trade on the breakout of the this level. When the price comes above this level and then gives a breakout, then we can definitely long from here. And the target that we could get is around 20%. So we could capture above 1050 or something. But if we have entered this position when the trend line has given a support somewhere around here and a good consolidation, then we can definitely look for a target for the first target of the 840 levels, and then we could see a target of every 50 point. Like if we get a target of 850, then we'll be going to 900, the 950, then 1000, 1050, and 1100. So this could be used in Tata Consumer. Uh, Happiest mind. Talking about the happiest mind, if we see it on a daily frame, then the situation looks critical. There is a strong resistance zone somewhere around here, and the support is about to get a break. The support is about to get a break. Happiest mind is currently in a bearish formation. So I don't think we could initiate a good position in happiest mind. Yeah, if we want to short it, then there could be shorting opportunity. Talking about the smaller frames look the similar. On hourly frame, the situation looks similar. So I don't think we should trade happiest mind. Like the support levels are 950 levels. There is no support below the 950 levels. So 950 levels will be the last levels that we can trade. Okay, talking about the Vedanta. Talking about Vedanta Limited, if we see it on daily frame, we'll start our discussion from the daily frame. Talking about the daily frame, I can get a trend line below here and the resistance zone somewhere around here. If I draw a zone, then we can get a zone somewhere around here. Okay. So if the price crosses this level and then sustain above this level, then we can definitely get some targets above this price. So we are talking about the targets that we could get. The targets could be around 35 levels will be our last target. So our last targets will be somewhere around 800, sorry, 450 levels. So 450 will be my last target. This will be my last target. Okay. And let me enter this. So, yeah, 441 will be my last target. And if I have to draw some targets in between these levels, then let me see. Closing the volume. Support at 231 levels. Good volume here. And here. So 407 will be my one target, and the other target could be in between this. So I could take 350 as my first target. Let us take 360. So I could take my third target here. So this could be a possible trade in Vedanta. But this is possible only and only when there is a breakout of the resistance zone. So I will also post this chart on the group. So I will also add a note there that entry is possible only after the breakout of resistance level. Okay, so talking about the, I'm getting gain many of time, gain and sale. Okay, so talking about gain, uh, Gale has a support below on these levels. They will support at these levels, and yeah, we could draw some trend lines here. There was a breakout, and then now there is in consolidation. So we could draw a consolidation zone above here. Okay, this is a minor support here. The target would be somewhere around here and somewhere around here on the bigger frames. If I talk about the smaller frames, if you talk about a 4 hour frame, then we could also get a target of somewhere around 94, then now 99 will be good target, and then 103 could be a target. 10 will also be a good target. So these would be targets for my game, and definitely the entry is only possible when we get a breakout of this level. Let me change the color. Changing the color to red. So we can only get a target only if we cross this level. So this will be the trade. Using the those on the group. Okay, so this is posted. My next doubt, Gale, go to the Gale. Okay, sale. Hmm. So talking about the sales, there was a drop in the sales, and we can draw a trend line somewhere around here. So this could be the last support for the falling sale. If I check it on a daily frame too, so the daily frame tells me the same. This is the trend line below, which is giving me support, and I'm going again toward the support level. So situation is somewhere something around this. So I gotten doubt like sale futures in of December. So see, if you need to trade the sale futures on December, then definitely you need to break the level that is for me on the 985 levels. Only when you have drawn cross these levels, then only you will be getting some targets on the CE side. Else, you could find some targets on the lower side if you are going to short, if you are going to buy the put side, then definitely you can see the opportunity if the trend line on the lower side break. But definitely, if you are going to long the position, then you need these 84, 85, 86 level to be close on the upper side. Yeah, you need to enter in a position when the candle close. Like if we are drawing a level, then definitely when a candle closes above that level, then only you are going to take the trade. Talking about the sale definitely. If you want a sale to be longed, then you need these 85, 86 levels to be crossed and sustained. Otherwise, you could short only. Checking and CC. Okay, so NCC looks something like this. There was a trend line down below here, and there was a resistance zone somewhere down here. So the zone, so the resistance is currently break, and we are getting only we are getting a retest from this level. Then we will be going more high, and the high will be around 12%. So the next possible target will be these 85 levels. We can get target of some 85 levels, I think, easily. Other so the last doubt that like was the camps. Talking about the camps is in a downfall. If we draw a trend line around somewhere around here, then we can wait for this trend line to be either break or sustained. Just if we have to short, then we can short somewhere around here for the targets, and on the downside, this could be the target. But I don't think there is a long opportunity in the camps as of now. Okay, so the time is 9:02. So we will be analyzing the Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. So first of all, we will see SGX Nifty. The SGX Nifty is 0.22% high. So expecting a flat, and the Dow Jones is Also flat, S&P also flat, flat, Nasdaq flat, Shanghai, Nikkei. Also, okay, so the global index that I can see, global index are flat, then we should expect a flat opening of our Indian markets. Okay, so removing all the drawings and going to an 5 minute intraday frame. Let us start from the 1 hour frame. So if you see the 1 hour frame of Bank Nifty, then you can see there is a trend line that is something around something like this. This could be altered to this level. If we take this as an fake out, then the trend line could look like this. And one of the support level is somewhere around here. The other support level on the downside will be somewhere around here. Mhm. And the next one will be around here. One more level, if I have to draw, then I can draw this level. Okay, so going on 500 intraday frame, our charts will look something like this. We will also draw a level of this level. So these will be our levels that we are going to look for. So removing the trend line, this could be an intraday trend line for us. The price is expected to open around this zone. If we open in this zone, then definitely we will look for the sides to break. These two sides, the first one, first this one, and the second this one. These two sides will be acting like some support resistance things. Like if the market goes sideways, then the price, these two price will be the support and resistance levels where our market is trying to remain. But if we need a good move in the Bank Nifty, then definitely we need to break these two levels. Talking about the Nifty, so previously Nifty has fulfilled our targets. Okay, so removing the all the drawings. So if I analyze Nifty for today, then I can get a support level somewhere around here. This will be a good support for me for the day. And if I have to draw some other levels, then this level will be an important level for me for the whole of the day. This will be an important level on the upper side, and this one, and one more level somewhere around here. So these will be key levels for me. So these will be key levels for me for the day. I'm expecting the opening around these levels. If we open on these levels and the price that this level as a support, then we can see for a rebound from this level, and the targets will be here and then here, and we can also get even the bigger targets. If the price opens in this level and get rejection from this level will lead to a target of this support, and then also we can get a even bigger support. If the price directly hits that level and didn't sustain the level, then we can see a downfall from here. And breaking the level on the upper side directly, can lead to these targets. So these are my targets and setups for today for the Nifty and Bank Nifty both. So also sharing the snapshot with you on the group. So the levels could be something like this. If we open here, then we can have a target of this level. The path could be like this. If we talk about the long side that we have to long, we have to short, then we can see something around this one. Also, there could be some more paths also. The price could touch this and then get back to this and then breaks this level and it may fall. So these could be the possible entries that we could get. One more, like if we open around these levels and then rest the targets will be the same. The paths will be the same. The route could be different, but the paths for both of this will be same. This thing look complex to me. Okay, so let me remove this level. So I think this thing look complex to you. So you got my point, but what actually my point is, you got my point. So sharing this chart on Grow. Also sharing the Bank Nifty chart. Okay, so also sharing the Bank Nifty chart, converting this into a zone. Like if we get this as a zone, then it will be even better for us. Okay, so from this as a zone. Okay, so sharing Bank Nifty chart too on the group. Okay, so we have shared both the Nifty and the Nifty daily chart on the group. So the market is about to open in about 4 minutes. We will take more doubts after 9:20, 9:25. We will look for some live trades on the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Then we will be taking more doubts. Okay. So 3 more minutes. So wait for 3 more minutes. I will be back. Okay, so the market is about to open. Uh, in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So, we have lies the Nifty and Bank Nifty will be going to open in these levels, and the Nifty and Bank Nifty has opened on these levels. So, in Bank Nifty, I could see a good good green candle. If we can close this candle above the 42.65, then we can definitely long this from here. Talking about Nifty, if we see Nifty, the Nifty has also opened above that level. It is currently 0.29% high. So the possible in entry in the Nifty could be if we break either this level or this level. This level will go long and this level will go short. The price would be shorted like this. So these could be our Nifty and Bank Nifty daily analysis. We can see the market to be dropping. If we drop the market below this zone and then even we get the trend line out, then we can see good fall in the market till the levels of 42,080. But we need to see how the first candle of the market tell us. Okay, so I have told all the trading opportunity that could be possible. Okay, so talking about some other doubts, Ruchika papers. So talking about Ruchika papers, we can see on daily frame. Checking out the Ruchika papers, then we can see in Ruchika papers there is an support from the trend line on the bottom side, and there is a resistance zone somewhere around here. So if we sustain and close above this level, if we close above this level, then we can get some good targets here. So we can convert this into a zone, and then we will draw a minor zone around here, removing the horizontal, and this too. Okay. Then the possible targets could be, I think, somewhere around 20%. So we can get some 164 from here. So let me post this on the group too. So there is a possibility of the target till 164. So we'll mark the 164 level first. This is our last target. And the targets in between this could be this one and then around, then in between them. So these could be our possible targets, but these targets are definitely possible only and only when we get an breakout from the horizontal resistance level that we have currently drawn. So okay, the next is a TVS motor. I got query for TVS motor. Okay, the TVS motor on daily frame, we can see a type of lag and fall formation. If we see a parallel channel in this, then we can see a flag and fold type of formation. And if the breakout is on the upper side, then we can look for the target somewhere around these levels. But it is necessary to have a breakout. Like if it go on the downside, then we can even get a shorting opportunity here till the levels of 1000. We can even short it till the levels of 1,000, but we need to say how the chart says us, like how on which side the chart get and breakout. The possibility of breakout and breakdown is both are possible. We can either get a breakout on the upper side and we can either get a breakdown on the lower side. But we need to see how the market respond and how the chart respond to us. Okay. So, so any more doubts? Okay, so the situations on Nifty and Bank Nifty are turning bearish. Okay, so what we have analyzed that if the market breaks this level, then we can possibly get a target of this support level. So the market is going something like that, and I think in the next 15 minutes we will capture this target. Talking about the Bank Nifty, in Bank Nifty 2, the price is dropping, and if we get a rejection from this support also, then we can even get a target of around 42,000 here. If we calculate about the bonds, then there could be a fall of 350 points on Nifty, Bank Nifty 2. But same, we need to break this support level. If we break this support level, then only we are going to drop more. So the situations in the market are turning bearish. CNX Media and IT and media sector are firmly holding the market. Else every sector is dropping, and auto sector is the most bearish sector as of now. So Bank Nifty is also looking like taking support from our support level. So if you have any other doubt, you can post me the doubt. Else we are going to close the live as of now. Any other doubt? If you have any other doubt, you can let me know, else we are going to close the live for now. We will also try to connect twice a day. We will be connecting every day 8:30 a.m. in the morning for the daily analysis and some intraday picks, some swing picks, and some live trades for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. As of now, I don't think there is a good trading opportunity in the Nifty and Bank Nifty until and unless we are going to break these two levels, because we can see like from the last 2 3 days we are like hanging in these between two levels. So we can get a good trade if we break these levels, else we are not going to get any of the good trade. Losing money isn't a good option for us. Saving money could be a good option. So thank you everyone for joining the live. We are disconnecting now. We will be trying to connect a session again in the night, somewhere around 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. I will update you in the group. So thank you